Listen to affirmations for decluttering, before or while decluttering. It will give you the encouragement to keep working at it. Start listening when you want to get motivated. I deserve a decluttered and clean home. I breathe deeply and think of my clean home. I resist all thoughts of negativity. The more things I declutter, the more time I gain doing what I love most, which could be doing nothing at all. I am ready to release all the things that take up space in my house. I am ready to have a clean, clutter-free home. I am surrounded by good energy in my home. I cannot wait to live in a soothing environment. I am grateful for all the things I have owned. I do not need all of these things. I am happy that I can help others get things they desperately need. I am ready to pass on the things I don't need anymore. I am grateful for all that I'm learning about myself. I am ready to love my clutter-free life. I am ready to have a clean, clutter-free home. I am ready to release all the things that take up space in my house. I am ready to enjoy the empty spaces in my house. I release all the resistance my body and mind have held. I am thankful for my home. I maintain my home for everyone to enjoy. I expect my home to be clutter-free and easy to clean. I am feeling patience with myself. I am moving forward in my quest for a more simple life. I'm able to relax in my home. I'm able to have visitors to my home at any time. I am surrounded by abundance. I do not need all of these things. I am working towards my goals of an easy home. I appreciate learning how to take care of the home I deserve. I am thankful for all gifts of love I have received. I want my home to be easy to clean. I know that I can never give away the feeling of love. It is not attached to physical things. I am grateful for the abundance in my life. I don't want to fill all the empty spaces. I'm open to receiving all feelings of love. I breathe more deeply. I need my home to make me feel good when I think of it and when I'm in it. Thank you for all the things I already have. I am so thankful for all the lessons I am learning for a more fulfilling life. Less stuff makes less work to maintain it. I am in awe of all the things the universe has in store for me. I am blessed in so many ways, and I allow them to fill my mind. Positivity and perseverance will make me achieve my goals. I am confident I will continue to succeed. I am constantly moving forward.